Okay, Mad Max Randy in the garage again, working on my little Honda. There it is. I had an engine light come on just a couple days ago, and it was because my VTEC variable valve timing solenoid stuck in high position. Now, when that happens, your car is going to do all kinds of weird stuff. You're going to get the engine light. You're going to get hell, my cruise control came on. It was really crazy. Then the car is going to go into what they call like a low mode, safe mode, and then so you won't have any power, and it'll sound like your car is dying, and it'll buck. It'll kind of buck and it's giving you all this weird. So this is the little burger that does that for you. It's nothing really fancy. It's just that it has a pressure sensor switch, and also has this. It has the solenoid right here, and in there is a little valve. See it in there. And every time you step on the gas, that little valve operates. So this thing's working all the time, and so that's what gives you a variable valve timing, is with oil pressure. So anyway, when this little booger turns into garbage, it's dripping everywhere, this is what you get. So it's $217 for one of these at Honda. And here, let me put this greasy one down. Anyway, so here's your new one. So here's the new one. $200. There it is. And you get the whole thing. Most of the tutorials I've seen on YouTube will tell you that you have 3 bolts. This one has 4. Also, the clips are a little different than what they've been showing on other models. All I can tell you is I'm good with my hands. At least that's what the women say. So I was able to feel around and find those clips and take them off without breaking them. I saw guys using needle nose pliers. That's probably a big no-no, because if you use needle nose pliers, I'm sure you're going to probably break the hell out of your clips. So be careful. Don't break your clips. Be gentle. Treat it like a lady. Use your fingers and feel around. That's a safety tip, and make you popular with the ladies. So, anyway, of course, I'm using my Trans Am as a tabletop. Not good. Always take this off. This little burger right here holds your high pressure hose on your power steering. Take it off. It already cut me. Yeah, every time I work on the Honda, I get cut. So take this off, and tell you the truth, this didn't even cut me. It was like a little plastic clip that cut me. So anyway, the little burgers are just tight inside here, and so I've got my valve off. I'm going to climb underneath the car now. I'm going to clean up the area where this gasket sits. Where is that gasket? I think I threw it because it's greasy. No, here it is. Here it is, the gasket. All right. This is the gasket that goes on there. It has a little screen. They said I could have had this problem because the screen was dirty. But as you can see, mine is pretty damn clean. And it's because I change the oil a lot. If you don't change oil, this will be clogged up. So anyway, this is the gasket. See how it's wild looking? And the screen, you get a new one, of course. But I have to make sure there's no remnants of this gasket on the surface, because that could cause a leak, and we don't want that. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and try to button this puppy down, and then we will give it a test drive. But I'm sure this is what the problem was. I talked to the Honda people, and they said it's because just mileage, just because of mileage. So there is the 2011 Honda CRV with 127,000 miles with the VVT solenoid, spool solenoid replacement. It's not that bad. Maybe some guys can't get it, but I'm a seasoned mechanic. I laugh at it. Okay.